Hey, young Vento Talk, Baholo. I'm not even greeting. Baholo, Remeng Hanyani. Why do you guys, when you argue with people, now it's I don't know, like I'm noticing this a lot. I just heard it now. And I'm like, Kikopari addressing. What do you guys mean, Hore? When you're in an argument with somebody or you whatever, you're not agreeing with somebody, while it's a reflection of the home that they're coming from. Like there's no untruer statement than that one. But we get to your houses, you're not even allowed to hold alcohol. So what do you guys mean that it's a reflection of the home that you're coming from? Why don't you just take your L? Lose the argument. Why don't you just take your L and then go on with life? What means? But now, little faga bonyo ba kena kae bonyo bo mme ba rona ba kena kae la ba tseba na la ba tseba bo mme ba rona even ba bang ba nke all like when you're telling somebody who it's a reflection of the home that they're coming from, like oh ga le Badimo ba bona, you don't even know the homes that they come from. You know, you get the sweetest of people, you go to their houses and according to your standards chaotic moto on again. So stop saying that, take your L and then argument fella. But now to be saying it's a reflection of the homes that people come from, that is untrue. Lana estraten meslangana nani like the for me, according to the standards, you're a good person, you're not a good person. But according to such things, then the home style should be chaotic by how you guys behave. Alright? Have you never seen a parent? So this is what you're doing. So stop it, guys. Stop it. It is not a reflection of the home that somebody's coming from, and it's very sensitive. Yo, I just felt you know, now you bring my ancestors, and that is where I draw the line. You're bringing my ancestors. It's a reflection. You don't know my mother. You don't know my father. You don't know my grandparents. You don't know my paternal grandparents. Like, awazi fokol for you to be saying, it's a reflection just because moto ha dumelane le wena on a certain thing. Guys, bagolo le lona ke kopa le jwetsaneng bagolo jwetsang bagolo gore bagolo ba tella banta ba tala ni noktelela banta ba tala tselana banta ba tala ukuthi banta ba tala niyatelela. Like I'm not gonna say it because kesale captured by my Africanness, just like komsebeting re hlola ku bitsana ka mabitso a system re creator re dumelang le rona akere a gona mama gona eng ya gona malome go paseng, but because of this intrinsic thing, maybe ke ma atwa we don't want to go into, we don't want to be disrespectful, but ke kopa abantu abadala batshela abantu abadala ukuthi niyadelela bagolo jwetsang bagolo go batela, because I'm not gonna say it because at times you guys want to be disrespectful to people by virtue of I'm older, and then on the side, and when you're parenting us, you want to teach us how respect is earned. Mara, the minute your child or somebody who's younger than you instead of educating in love or whatever it is, here we are telela, it's a reflection of the home that they're coming from. People will kill you because that is most of us first gods. Our mothers are our first gods. So don't bring our mothers into arguments. If you're losing an argument, take an L and be out. You know, if you're feeling somebody's disrespecting you, address that thing. Now you're gonna tell them how it's a reflection of the home that they're coming from. Stop. Stop. That's not a way to be in a debate or whatever. When you are not winning or you're not willing to see somebody else's point, don't go and insult people. Are being respectful. So like I'm saying, respect is earned. Are they teaching us respect is earned? They teaching us respect is earned. So especially if you're saying you are so woke, right? You're so woke. Then you know a child, because I feel they're more closer to spiritual purity than as habo planet, right? So you need to give a child the same respect that you're gonna give nkgono Madieketseng wako koning. But nkgono Madieketseng has no right to be swearing at this child and telling this child, yeah, it's a reflection of the home that you're coming from, when they don't even know the home that they're coming from, or just because you're not nkgono Madieketseng on tatemkholo Tere. You don't have that right. Let it be equal playing field, and if a rule today high be consistent, actually being consistent, stop it. Vento clock.